Hey, what is up, guys? What is up, guys? This is Anil Sharma. Welcome back to the new video. And in today's video, I am going to show you a trick with this rubber band. And let's see. First, I will show you the magic trick. Then I will show you how you can do this trick. So let me show you the trick. Then I will reveal it. Okay. Once again. So now I will teach you how you can do this trick. So it's really simple. All you need is a rubber band and nothing. So let me tell you guys. So when you start so you have to prepare it before the magic begins. Now use your thumb and the index finger and take your index finger between and just make it, and all you have to do is just get through here, and now just show it to 1 2 3. It's really simple trick. I hope you like. So it is really simple trick, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, so please hit the like, hit the thumbs up button and press the bell icon to never miss any kind of updates. Yeah.